So I want to do a basic lesson in step flashing and how it should be put in and how it should be nailed, and kind of describe the problem we've got going on here. So this downspout was connected here and it went into the gutter, and it's difficult to tell, but we've got a very large dip here. We've got some old nails, and that is from a previous repair. The flashing here with the rust on it, it is the original flashing. Somebody came in and put these two pieces in here in an attempt to repair. Our problem, we can see it back here. So you can see that right in the middle of your screen. That's the end of the step flashing. If I come up here, there's an end of step flashing. And then when we come up here, it starts to line up where it should be. So originally this house was a 3-tab shingle, and it was a smaller flashing that was used for that. When these architectural shingles were put in, they did not change out the step flashing, and the shingles just landed where they land. And so now we've got some water issues here. And at first I thought maybe the downspout was stopped up and water was flowing out of this joint or up there where it connects to here, but everything is nice and clean. When I start picking up shingles, we see that we've got a severely rusted nail right there. And if I come up again, no nails here. And when I get to my next one, and also where I have a very large dip, there is a nail right beside that flashing. And so the whole purpose of this flashing is these shingles come in and butt the wall. And what happens when water gets in here and goes down and gets up under the shingle? And that's exactly what this flashing is for. So you want a piece of metal up under each shingle so that water goes up under there and then ends up shedding out the bottom of the shingle. And in this particular case, when that water gets in here and goes up under the shingle and it slides off that piece of metal, it should be coming out right here, and it is, but it's running right across the top of the nail. And that's exactly what's happening down here. So when water blows in there, gets in between, it gets to those nails, and that's what's causing all this rot. So we want to get this cut out, get the wood out, get everything re-nailed, and we want to get these nails away from that flashing. The nails should be much higher and it should be further away so you can avoid this problem. You guys have a great day.